Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Grafana alerts for VPS CPU and disk. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Grafana dashboard. Navigate to the alerting section on the left sidebar. Click on Alert Rules to view existing alert configurations. Identify the alert related to CPU usage for your VPS. Click on the alert to edit its settings. Check the conditions set for the CPU usage threshold. Ensure the threshold is appropriate for your server's performance. Next, locate the alert related to disk usage. Click on that alert to review its parameters. Verify the disk usage threshold set within the alert. Make sure it reflects the desired usage limits for your server. After reviewing both alerts, navigate back to the main dashboard. Click on Explore to access the query editor. Use the query editor to run a test on CPU metrics. Select your relevant data source. Input a query to fetch CPU usage data. Execute the query to visualize current usage. Next, perform a similar action for disk metrics. Query the disk usage to ensure accurate tracking. Compare the visual data with the set alert thresholds. If discrepancies exist, return to the alert settings. Adjust any incorrect threshold values as needed. Save all changes made to the alert configurations. Test the alerts to confirm they fire correctly. Monitor your Grafana alerts for real-time notifications. Regularly review and adjust alerts based on your server's performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.